Sir, what do you want to say?
Captain 2.
Second captain.
Sir, Captain
Captain Viryatok, as we congratulate him, I think this victory is for India Alliance. This victory is for people's unity. आज people's unity has won and people have shown that अशकोन जर तरी आम काम केलं जाल्यार आणि अशकोन आमी मुखार वावर करीत रावल जाल्यार गोवा and Goans are going to deserve better and this is the path ahead. आज ही वाट आमी मांडलेली आहा ते वाटेर म्हाका दिसता गोंयकार जो साउथ गोवाचो MP आज जे डिलिव्हर करतलो you will see what is going to happen in the parliament and this is I think Goa's major victory for all these years. Opinion poll म्हणटा तो साउथाचो हो जाल्लो कित रिजल्ट तो आमकां फायनल येतलो but today I think this is landslided victory for south and this kind of work is required now in the north. Performance आमी वाडयतले, we will all work as a team and I think Goa is going to deserve better.